If you need to turn a PowerPoint presentation into a video, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to export a PowerPoint presentation as an MP4 video, step by step, so you can share your slides more easily, upload them online, or present them without opening PowerPoint. This is a really useful feature if you want to create training videos, tutorials, course content, or polished presentations that play smoothly on any device. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure everything looks the way you want it to appear in the final video. Check your slide text, images, animations, and transitions because once it's exported, the presentation will be turned into a video file exactly based on your selected settings. After that, click File in the top left corner of PowerPoint. This opens the main menu where you can access export options. From there, click Export. On the export screen, you'll see several options, and the one you want is Create a Video. This is the feature that converts your slide deck into a video format, which is perfect for sharing and uploading. Next, choose your video settings. One of the most important options here is video quality. If you want the best clarity, select Full HD 1080p. This gives you a sharp, professional-looking video that works well for YouTube, presentations, and most online platforms. If your computer or file size is a concern, you can choose a lower setting, but 1080p is usually the best balance between quality and performance. After that, you need to decide how your slides will be timed. You have two choices. You can use recorded timings if you already rehearsed your presentation and save the slide timings, or you can manually set the seconds per slide if you want each slide to display for a specific amount of time. If you're creating a presentation without narration, the seconds per slide option is very helpful because it lets you control exactly how long each slide stays on screen. If you already have speaker timings and want PowerPoint to follow them, then use recorded timings. Choose the option that best fits the way your presentation was built. Once your quality and timing settings are selected, click Create Video. PowerPoint will now prepare the file for export. Depending on the length of your presentation and the number of animations or media elements included, this may take a few moments. After that, you'll be asked to choose the file type and save location. Make sure to choose MP4 format, since that is the most common and widely supported video format for PowerPoint exports. Then select the folder where you want to save the video, type in a file name if needed, and click Save. PowerPoint will begin rendering your presentation into an MP4 video file. Once the export is complete, you can open the video and review it to make sure the slides, transitions, and timing all look correct. If something feels too fast or too slow, you can go back, adjust the slide timings, and export it again. And that's it. You've successfully exported a PowerPoint presentation as an MP4 video. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time and make your presentations much easier to share. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide.